Welcome to DJMC.
Welcome now once again to DJMC. We always do it to follow us, like, share, subscribe. As now here we bring all the Ogbonge news they come your way. Today news, I carry entertainment is can't give now. All of us know say 001 wedding hold yesterday and some personalities them come on. Very dark man go this wedding and he don't come outside to crucify some kind people where they not invite for the main event but they invite them for the after party. My people, I not feel laugh. Make una follow me watch this video as soon as I go. Yeah, a very dark man. They mention Iyabo Ojo and Nkechi Blessing as they say struggle to enter the venue. Make una watch this video reach the end.
Una wait to happen, but before I start, we'll start from here.
And for inside this hold up, we go do wedding, go start and here. We will go meet after party. Us na after party. As the days on after party level we dey.
See this auntie or there saying na after party 9 days they go. Did they invite you for the main party? What does your invite say? Look at what your invite say. Your invite is for 5 p.m. and kindly ensure that you bring this invitation with you for guaranteed entry. Please note that admission will not be granted before the specified time. So why you can't make as if okay, you were held in traffic? It was because you left your house around 4:30 so that you'll be there by 5. They did not give you the main invite. People that have the main invite were there by 10. People that give their invite for that carton. The rest of now, see. If you see anybody where we say snap with Davido and Choma, where they hold this, where they wear this black, where Davido wear this black outfit and Choma wear this clothes, just know see all of them after party they meet. You understand? All this about them, all this skits makers. No level. Plenty of them they far. See their view. This is their view. Some of them sneak enter inside there, see their view. You understand? Then, okay, all these, they are Yabo and all these skits makers. Because she's a skits maker. All these skits makers. Now from this team. Now from after party, they see. I see one girl on a papaya, which I call them and carry money. They go give Choma, they do this. Other one after party, they don't see them for, they don't even feel access David for main events. You understand? See somebody like Joey Zaza now. You don't see when Joey Zaza come, you don't see what Davido wear. Davido wear red. You understand? Joey Zaza come on stacks of dollars. He can't give Davido. You understand? And when Davido they come where me and Osime and the other main men they, you understand? You see how he come, he wear that in red. Then in groomsmen wear yellow for the back. All those other ones are fantasy. Apart from Olamide Bado and Fireboy and the musicians who sing, who perform for the after party, who surprise David. The remaining ones, all reuse, but the remaining ones, all those come. Now by 5 o'clock they come. And then they post them and see the DJ. You post show us video. You Yabo, show us video where you did with David when we are red. Post video when we are red. I dare you. Or post picture. Now don't carry on now see the people where. Oga, now when senior at Balagbas, because the way they take do the way, I too like the people where arrange them. They don't know see a lot of all these touts. And all this thing will come. So they just give them time, 5 o'clock. So that when David don't tire, you can't go meet DJ. So you know when they post that thing. Meanwhile, see this one. That's why I say I like who organize this thing. They don't nearly bounce this one. I just took my QR code. My code is there. And the way they take to them, you see, the invite what they give them. You understand? The invite can only accommodate one. That's why she don't carry that lesbian partner. It is that excessive. That girl. And why she don't carry that girl come? That one video they even clean now when the madam go work. I mean why the face for the video now how this face where they take resemble the one where she posts for her page. You know see this thing if you don't the way she take on doing for her page. I go check that page and see the way she do and say that's all this one they say oh God all this men all they carry money. They go call these girls, all these influencers. They say, Mona, they tell them they call now without makeup. Some of them, their face don't get posa. You know posa, that's where people like the tear. Their face get posa. They get posa for face. You know what's in all these ones, they don't even get level. Now I'm not giving her the gist of what happened yesterday, right? So me, let me tell you how my invite is. You know, say me, I know they like lie. I know they like lie at all. Now, when I come out from prison, you understand? When I just David, how far now? David just video call me. Me and David come by. We can't talk about the wedding. Say they will send clothes, you know. But they Abuja, you know, those kind of package. But at the end of the day, the clothes no quick come. They say, oh, clothes don't finish. I won't take down. Make I sew car. I just tell them say make them no worry, you know the vibe. So I can't wait for my invite. I don't see my invite. I can't call. Eventually I come tell them say come. When I no try myself, that invite lap. At the end of the day, the invite shall lap.
Hope I don't watch the video and I don't hear waiting in talk. Now this one carry come give you now. Make una do it to follow us, like, share, subscribe. Until we come your way again, make una always do it to stay safe. Una do.
DJ